Hey, what's up my friend? I hope you're doing good today. Today's video we're going to be reviewing the VeGue Condenser Microphone, the VM50. So let's get right into it. I'll bring you in and we're going to unbox this. Alright, here we go. Let's take a look what's inside the box. Alright, we got the instruction manual, we got the cord, and we have the microphone. All right, just from holding this for the first time, this is very, very well made. Feels premium, all metal. The base it comes with is metal. Pop filter is metal. Microphone is metal. And the shock mount, other than the bands that are holding it on, is metal. So very, very, very nice construction. It's not adjustable in height, but it is adjustable in the angle you can speak to it to. Now right here, you have your gain control or your volume control. It's clickable, so you can push it in. So if you want to mute it, it says that it has an indicator light on it. Maybe when I plug it in, it'll show me. Underneath, so this is where you plug the cord in, and this is where you plug your headphones in. There is no lag or no latency monitoring, so real-time monitoring. And I'm really excited to review this. This looks very high quality. So let's go ahead and plug this in, and I'm going to show you real time how it's plug and play. So it says all you have to do, plug it in, no driver needed. It's going to set it up itself. So I'm going to bring you into my computer and show you how it works. All right, I got my computer turned on. First things first, let's plug this into the bottom here. It's a USB-C cord, and this cord is about 6 feet long. So you got a lot of room. I could put it all the way over here on my desk, and I could put it over here wherever I wanted to. So you got a lot of options with this thing. I'm really impressed so far. And then I'm gonna plug the USB-C into my computer. This light lights up as soon as you plug it into your computer. So this is actually the LED indicator light, which is pretty cool. It's not like a little dot. It's actually the name that lights up, which is pretty cool. Hey, what's up my friend? How you doing today? Hope you're doing good watching this video. This is just a test. Thank you for watching. Let me know how this sounds. Thank you. All right, now that I'm back in the edit menu, I'm gonna play it back. Let me know how you think it sounds. Hey, what's up my friend? How you doing today? Hope you're doing good watching this video. This is just a test. Thank you for watching. Let me know how this sounds. Thank you. I am very, very impressed. Now, I have this other microphone. This Moana, whatever you want to call it. This microphone is good. It doesn't have all the options like this. This comes with a base, which is really nice. And, hold on, let me turn you around real quick. This is the Moana one. This one did not come with the base. I had to purchase this base. I really wanted one with the height control, so you can move it up and down, which I really like. I'll put the link in the description if you want. It will fit this microphone as well. This one, but for what you get, this microphone is great. I mean, you get all metal design. You get the pop filter. You get the shock mount. Everything you need. You get the cord. Everything you need, and it's $60. And for $60, I think you get a lot of value. I mean, I just heard my recording. I didn't do any special audio editing, any kind of mixing, nothing like that. And it sounds better than the microphone that I'm using now. I'm most likely going to use this from now on. And I love the indicator light, how it's very clean, very nice. Very easy to set up. I didn't have to do anything. As you can see, I just plugged it in. I went into DaVinci Resolve, patched the microphone. It was already set up, no drivers or anything needed. So I did some research for you. I didn't want you to have any extra questions, so I'm going to go over that real quick. Compatible with Mac, Windows, PS4, PS5, plug and play, no drivers needed. I already said that. It's ideal for content creators, gamers, podcasts, and live streams such as Zoom, stuff like that if you're into that stuff. And it comes with the instruction manual, the cord. It's USB-C and USB-A. This is for Mac users and PC and PS5. I don't think it works with Xbox, unfortunately, but I'll have to check that. Microphone with stand, shock mount, and pop filter. All metal design, premium design, very, very, very nice quality. The volume is adjustable. Obviously, like I said, here's the volume. Here's the mute. You can hear it click. No latency, no lag, stuff like that. If you're a gamer, if you want to hear real-time recording, real-time monitoring when you're recording, it picks up noise in the front. So if you're speaking to it like this, it's just going to pick up the noise coming from your mouth. Anything that's behind it, it's going to minimize that noise. That's why this microphone's so good, and that's what the cardioid pattern picks up. So really nice, because I actually have, as you can see, my computer is back there. It comes with all these fans, so I don't really want it to pick up all that extra fan noise. So I really like that about it. It only weighs about 1.96 pounds. It comes with the LED indicator light to let you know it's on. And I think it's a great mic. I'm going to use this from now on. I think it sounds amazing with no extra audio mixing, extra tweaking to the audio, anything like that. $60 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. But right now I'm going to do some tests. I'm going to do a voiceover while I'm editing this video to hear the difference in this microphone compared to the Note 9 right here. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy these tests. All right, back on the computer again. We're going to do some voiceover tests. So I'm going to be speaking and recording the Note 9 on the right, VM50 on the left. We're going to go back and forth. Tell me what you think. I know this isn't really a fair recording. This is a phone. This is a professional microphone, but just to give you an idea of what the difference sounds like, let's get right into it. Okay, I'm recording with both microphones now. This is the VeGue VM50 test. This is the Note 9 test. I'm about a foot away. This is a test for the Note 9. This is a test for the VM50. What do you think? Tell me what you think, guys. Let me know.